mga nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 36, mga must-try drinks by LGBT community. LGBT community, a milk tea deserve mo. It's located at Zone 7, Barangay Calumpang, Molo, Iloilo City. They're open 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. They're a milk tea kiosk that you deserve by Calio Otso Grill House. And for full list of menus and delivery details, I'll be providing description down below. And I would like to shout out sa isang tao na avid fan ng LGBT community by Calio Otso na si Yuzni Arenio. Hello po kay Yuzni Arenio. And this episode is sponsored by LGBT community. Disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nose! So if your drinks by LGBT community. These are all large size, bestsellers, and also yung bagong drinks nila na exclusive for this vlog episode for Drinking Nose. Let's start! For our first drink, under milk tea category, this is their Okinawa milk tea for large size, 78 pesos. Yung unang makikin sa akin is yung sweetness for its Okinawa tea essence. Ito masyadong matamis sa akin for my taste. Pero yung pearls, nasa tama yung softness. Meron naman siyang tea essence for this drink. Next drink, under milk tea category, there's salted caramel for large size, 78 pesos. Nasa tama yung proportion for its salted caramel at yung sugar level niya. Hindi siya yung super sweet. For our next drink under milk tea category, your Wintermelon Supreme for large size, 98 pesos. Masyadong matamis siya for my taste. Yung unang makikin sa akin is yung sweetness ng Wintermelon. Yung pearls, okay naman. Feeling taste yung tea essence niya due to its sugar volume or yung sweetness for this drink. For our next drink, under fruit tea category, your blue lemonade in a Sossy bottle for large size, 88 pesos. Ang cute ng bottle niya. First time kong ma-experience ganitong bottle for my taste test vlog. So I'll be using my own metallic straw mga nose. Malasahan ko talaga yung citrus feel, zestiness for its lemon, right sweetness for its blue lemonade, perfectly balanced yung sweetness at yung bitter taste for its lemon. So, good job. For our next drink, under fruit tea category, this is their cucumber lemonade in a Sossy bottle for large size, 88 pesos. Ito na amoy ko na yung freshly sliced for lemon and cucumber. So, na-try ko yung slice of cucumber nila. Fresh naman siya. When it comes sa overall drink, nandun yung zestiness, nandun yung sweetness, zestiness for its lemonade, at yung cucumber essence on point. And by the way mga nos, yung 7 drinks dito sa harap ko is their new release or newest drinks for their menus. For our next drink, under new release category, this is their White Rabbit Milk Tea for large size, 98 pesos. Ito mga nose, legit na White Rabbit candy. Nandun yung creaminess, nandun yung White Rabbit essence na I was craving or looking for. Well-balanced yung sugar content and also for its White Rabbit sweetness essence. Tatlo pa lang yung new products na taste test ko when it comes sa proportion, sa well-balanced, and for its ingredients. Sobrang thumbs up siya sa akin. Next drink under new release category is their Milky Mango for large size, 108 pesos. Ito ang daming ingredients for this drink. Meron na siyang fruit jelly, tapos yung Oreo granules, and also for its mango essence. Yung combination nila, okay naman sa akin kasi malasama talaga yung mango sweetness. Combo siya sa Oreo granules and also for its fruit jelly. Next drink under new release category is their Mermaid Milktea for large size, 118 pesos. Very creamy. Tapos very similar siya for fruity flavors or yung mixed berry essence. Na-appreciate ko dito, hindi siya super sweet, tapos meron siyang fruit jelly for its singers. For our next drink under new release category is their Magnum Double for large size, 118 pesos. Itong drink na to, na-surprise ako kasi kuwang-kuha niya yung Magnum ingredients, Magnum ice cream, at very similar siya for dark chocolate. And when it comes to sugar level, well proportioned. For our next drink under new release category, this is Nutella Milktea for large size, 128 pesos. So I'll be using my metallic straw. Itong drink na to, it has an excellent quality for its Nutella, very creamy, at the same time, very addictive drink. Okay, for rating mga nos, for Okinawa Milk Tea, I'll give this a 9. Salted Caramel, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Wintermelon Supreme Milk Tea, I'll give this an 8. For Blue Lemonade, I'll give this a perfect 10. Cucumber Lemonade, I'll give this a perfect 10. Rabbit Milk Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Milky Mango, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Mermaid Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Doom Double, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for Nutella Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For on-the-go milk tea products, I would suggest their best sellers for milk tea category, si Okinawa Milk Tea, Salted Caramel, and also si Wintermelon Supreme Milk Tea. Also, when it comes to healthy options or refreshing drinks, I would suggest si Blue Lemonade and si Cucumber Lemonade. Something unique, delicious, and excellent products, I would suggest their new release milk tea products, si White Rabbit, si Milky Mango, si Mermaid Milktea, si Magnum Double, and also si Nutella Milktea. Si Okinawa, na-rate ko siya ng 9. Kasi sobrang tamis siya sa akin for my taste. Pero yung tea essence yan, naging present for this drink. Yung si Wintermelon Supreme, eto sobrang tamis siya. Yung unang maki-in sa akin is yung sweetness. Tapos parang faint taste na yung Wintermelon or yung tea essence for this drink. But overall, from Salted Caramel Milk Tea, for their fruities and their new release products, natuwa ako kasi nandun yung in-expect ko yung quality, presentation, properly proportioned for their ingredients, and also for their sugar level. So, right on point sila. Yung present yung kanilang flavors na in-expect ko, especially yung singers nila. Kate Pearls, Kate Fruit Jelly. Thank you so much, LGBT community or mga katitas, for allowing me to feature exclusive for my vlog episode, Drinking Nose. Especially your new drinks or new release products. So, I hope na hindi po to yung last na Taste Test vlog, but also, maybe soon, may include ko yung snacks or foods. LGBT community maintains our good service, good quality of products, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and a Drinking Nose standards approved. Once again, thank you and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesso saying, keep safe and bye!